Hello everyone, Patrick with OpenPoint again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to easily attach documents to any job in OpenPoint Web. When you upload files to a job in OpenPoint Web, it makes it easy to go back to the job and view them anytime, and we can even download them from there. On top of that, we've made it easy as possible to upload them as well, and it even allows you to upload multiple at once. To begin uploading, we'll need to find the job we want. Log into OpenPoint Web and make your way over to the Jobs section, then click on the one you want. I'm going to pick a semi-random one here from the list. We'll just go with this one right here. And now that we've got the job I want, we need to navigate over to the attachment section. That's where we can upload, download, delete, and edit any attachments connected to the job. And this can be found on the right side of the screen in this box here, right below Reports and above Layout. And here it'll show us any attachments we have, but right now we don't have any of them, so this screen is going to be blank. And we have a few ways that we could go about adding attachments here. The first would have us click on this orange plus button in the bottom right, and then we can select Attach from Computer. This is going to open this new window here with your File Explorer, and you can navigate over to where your files are and upload them right from there. Luckily, I'm already here, so we can either just go ahead and we can click on one and select Open or double click it, or I can drag and select or use Shift or Control and select and do multiple at once. And there we go, there's two at once. Now, we have one other method as well. If you open up your File Explorer on your own, and you just navigate on over to where you want to, or to the files you want to upload, I can just select them and I can drag them and drop them right in there. Perfect. Now, as you've seen, when I've uploaded multiple at once, it immediately sets their name, their description, to whatever the file name was. But if I just upload one, then it allows me to set a name and set a category and save that. Now, if you click on one of these, this will open up its information here, and here you can use the pen icon to change the name, the category, anything else like that, and then you can, when you're ready, you can either go ahead and save it, or if you want to discard your changes, go ahead and click the X. And then to delete one of them, instead of the pencil icon, we can just go ahead and click on this, and then we can delete. And then when you're ready to download any of them, you just click on this arrow here right at the side. And there we go. Uploading a document is super easy, and you can even do multiple types at once or in different ways like you saw me do.